Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop. If you happen to be new here, I do restorations each and every single Wednesday and I do flea market hauls each and every single Sunday. So if you like what you see, please consider subscribing. Today we are going to be doing a little jeweler's cast iron hand vise. This thing is not in terrible shape, but we can make this thing look 1,000 times better and operate a little smoother. So I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, let's get a good look at this thing. I don't see any maker's marks on here. Not at all anywhere. We might be able to find something once it's cleaned up and we get all that old black paint or Japanning or whatever that is on there. So I say we just tear this thing completely down. We're going to try and get the spring out, the pins out, and fully dismantle this. So let's jump right into that. Okay. I thought for sure that would open wider. I guess it doesn't. Alright, let's put it on the vise and try and pop that pin out. Alright, here's our pieces from that. I don't know if I can get this pin out of here to get this spring off. I'm hoping I can with just some leverage. Okay. Okay, I couldn't get it to pop completely out, but I got it to where I can move it. I think that'll help us enough. We can get around it and clean it now. So, alright. Let's start wire wheeling. Well, like I said, I couldn't get the spring off there without damaging it, so I left it on. I can move it around, so it's not really a big deal. I don't think it's going to obstruct us in our little bit of a restoration that we're doing. The entire body's getting painted. So what I'll do is tape the spring off, and that way it doesn't, you know, get all oversprayed and stuff like that. I think it'll be okay. Yeah. So let's jump into getting this thing prepped and ready. I want to throw this little butterfly nut on my 1x30. There's a couple of hitchhikers on there from the casting. That's not cool. I want to get that off there. Don't know if that's really showing up or not, but see that little burr on there? Just want to clean the metal up a little bit before we get the painting. Alright, so we clean the little butterfly nut up. Got the little hitchhikers off there. All of this stuff is basically ready for paint. I'm going to give it a good clean with some acetone or some alcohol. And we'll see where this little project takes us. Alright, you guys probably can't see these things dangling in the air, but we're going to let that coat sit on there and cure up for a while. Then we'll come back with another. Alrighty. Well, there's the wing nut. It's all painted up, looking nice. I did hit this on the 1x30 to give me my different color scheme to it. I want it shiny metal with the red finish. I think it'll look pretty nice that way. I'm going to do the same thing to the tops of the jaws. Take it over to the 1x30, get that done. I'll probably just do that off camera. And I got all the hardware polished up. So there's the lead screw and the pin. So they are all buffed up and ready. So let me go hit these jaws right quick. Alright guys, well, I'm quite happy with this one. It turned out pretty good. So yeah, we stripped all that old paint off there, painted it a nice fresh red apple, and cleaned up the jaws a bit. It's going to be a good user for the shop. Alrighty guys, well, we are all done with this one. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye.